Okay. Today I'm going to make this video on introducing the Tahoe, which is actually a very special Tahoe. I'll show you in a minute. This has to do with the engine bay. So right now this is a 2004 Chevy Tahoe with a 2003 engine that is pro-charged. I bought it off my mama. When my mama bought it, it was on like 20 inch rims, had the sub box and amps and all this stuff, which I plan on doing again. But it's nice, cool. See, we're just gonna look at it. I hate these taillights, so I'm fixing to change these taillights out. Put Escalade, think about putting Escalade style things, not the Escalade ones because they're flat, because I don't really like the rib thing. Change out taillights, needs a new exhaust. Put a roll pan bumper on it so it's like more smooth. Yeah, it needs some body work, especially right there. Needs to be cleaned. So basically put new wheels and tires on it. We're gonna take these damn running boards off because I went to try to jack it up. It almost tried to crack the running boards, so need to those. And it's just awesome. It also needs a new transmission, so I can't really drive it at all for the most part. Do some LEDs on the interior, do new tail lights, just do a nice clean thing. Get a new one of these armrests because I hate GM and their Neville thing of it just sticks out the lever. Nice tint. I mean, doesn't look nice at all. That good inside interior. Gotta get this fixed because that's annoying as hell, but that's just, you know, GM shit. It's nice and clear on this outside, but then you come out here, you can't see shit, even with it clean. Basically limo tint on the front end. It's nice, three row Tahoe. Well, I'm probably gonna switch. Oh yeah, gotta fix that. Need a new one of that. Probably gonna sit here and take the second row out, put captain's chairs in it. Then take the third row out. Have just yeah, that needs to be fixed too, I guess. But here's your kicker on the way this Tahoe is. Technically there's a sub underneath here. Has the back control thing. Then this is kind of cool. I got messed up. It needs to be fixed. This TV. Because the TV used to be coming over here. Got the VHS and audio track and all this other stuff. Used to be down here. Used to hook up to everything. Actually, I think it's still hooked up. This is kind of cool. Just needs to be cleaned up and brought back into the this century, I guess. Because this thing was basically built in the early 2000s. You know, I mean, like subs and dark tint. Having a 20 inch fucking spinners, 20 inch rims. I'm thinking about putting like a 22 inch or 20 inch rim and put a little spinner on it. Go full blown like thing. The piece de resistance with that. Technically, you can actually run it's actually flex fuel, so technically can run E85 on it, which is weird for a thing. Needs new taillights, just basically needs cosmetic stuff and cleaned up. Oh, and a new transmission because GM sucks with their transmissions. See? Okay. Needs to be cleaned. But notice anything weird? Dun 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 dun. Never had it on a dyno because my mama doesn't know anything really good about that, and I don't know why. I still don't understand why she bought a pro-charged fucking Tahoe. But it's nice. It's weird, but kind of cool. Damn, thing could get out of its own way. A little short wheelbase. Needs new headlights and bumper. I just need to clean everything and touch it all up, I guess. Just had to redo the mass airflow sensor. I would make a video on how I changed the mass airflow sensor, but frankly, this is totally different than most of them, I think. Got the little MSD box thing that was supposed to connect into another alternator and running the next second battery alternator, running back to the subs and all that stuff, but I don't have that stuff anymore. They took it out before my mama bought it. I'm gonna put it back in. It'd be cool. But no, just tiny little mirrors. I'm gonna change that. Put better mirrors on it. Probably ones that have like a. Does this have a puddle light? No, it does not have a puddle light. Never mind. Put a little bit bigger mirrors on it, I guess, or something. Then take that off and put the snub nose one on that one. Have to get the new rain guards on it. They'll be good that way. See? It's a friend. Look at that friend. But just needs to be cleaned. As you can see, how fucking dark it is in here. Good lord, this tent works good though. And then right now it's kind of storage for parts and shit right now. See, we have the 12 volt back here. Fixing to take this factory where his factory sub is at. I found like a box, the box fits, a sub box that fits this whole entire corner right here. Then have another little amp if I adjust that sub right there in that cock right there. That cubby right there. That's cool. I saw it online. That's kind of cool. Probably take the third row out. And put captain's chairs in the front. Cool. Gotta get this fixed too. Where it's just for the heating element thing for the rear defrost. Needs to get fixed back on there. Yeah. And then rear struts for this damn thing. See? That's what happens when you don't hold it up. Yeah, it needs new struts. But here, let's crank it up. Can't do a run thing on it because, yeah. I'm gonna stick you by the exhaust. No, Chihuahua. No, get off the damn phone. No, come on. Hold on a second. It been crunk up in a while, I guess. And it said, ha ha ha, nah. So I'll be back in a second. Okay. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. It needed to be jumped. Because it's been running a while, I guess. So now I'm fixing to come back over here. So I'll clip with the exhaust. Oh, fuck. Well, I guess, never mind that. They don't like being on camera. I guess they don't want to drink. So I guess let's better sit. Okay, well, bye. Please like and subscribe if you want to see an actual clip of the exhaust. And, yeah. Okay.